Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Ryan. Today we're making egg salad.
This recipe is full of flavor and a great way to get some protein. It is low in calories and can easily be modified to your taste or food needs.
So let's get started. There's some of the ingredients we're going to use today. We'll need 5 hard-boiled eggs, a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. We'll do 1/4 cup of red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish. Salt and pepper to taste. We can put it onto whole grain bread. Then we'll need a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some measuring cups and spoons.
Before we get started, we want to make sure that all countertops and utensils are cleaned and sanitized.
And don't forget to wash your hands.
This will prevent the spread of germs and will help keep your food and family safe. Since this recipe calls for a bit of produce to be used, we also want to make sure all of it has been washed as well.
First, we'll start out boiling the eggs. We'll place the eggs into a medium saucepan, single layer the eggs, and add water. The eggs should cook for roughly 12 minutes in a rapid boiling water. Now the eggs are done, we will strain the water from the pan and run cold water over the eggs to cool them faster and to stop further cooking. Now the eggs are cool, we'll crack the eggshells and carefully fill them under running water.
You'll want to use a paper towel and pat dry the eggs. After you've done that, chop the eggs and add them to the mixing bowl. We also need to chop celery and red onion into bite-sized pieces and add that to the bowl as well. Eggs are a great source of protein, and using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise will reduce the amount of fat and add some protein as well. Celery will provide vitamin C, and whole grain bread or tortilla are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Use a paper towel and pat dry the eggs. Chop the eggs and add them to a mixing bowl. We also need to chop celery and red onion into bite-sized pieces and then add those to the bowl as well. This recipe calls for 1 small red onion. If you can't find a small red onion at your grocery store, you can pick any onion and use half or a quarter, whichever you prefer. With your celery also, you can cut them to whatever size pieces you prefer. Some people prefer larger and others prefer much smaller. So now we'll add a 1/4 cup of celery into the bowl. So in this recipe, eggs are a great source of protein. Your yogurt will reduce the amount of fat and add some extra protein as well. The celery is a great source of vitamin C, and putting your egg salad on whole grain bread or a wheat tortilla is a great source of fiber and adds vitamins and minerals.
So now we're going to add to the mixing bowl the 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, the mustard, salt and pepper, paprika, and the pickle relish. We will mix. And at this point now you can add your egg salad to your bread or spread onto a cracker.
A great addition to this dish, if you don't like egg, would be including tuna, salmon, chicken, or turkey to add protein into your diet. All of these are lean meats and with less calories and fat than darker meats. And be sure to store your egg salad in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days.
In the end, you could add lettuce, tomato, or serve with a side of fresh vegetables. This is a great way to get some color on your plate and pack in your vegetables. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for joining us today. For more delicious and nutritious recipes, be sure to like and subscribe to the link below and follow RHN WIC. Thank you.